welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing well. So have you ever faced the database size is around 500 GB, and when you are trying to take the backup, so backup size is it's getting 0 KB, something like that. So today's session we will see what is the reason for that. Actually, if the database size is huge big, and when you are trying to take the backup of that particular database, the backup file size it's showing 0 KB. So let me connect my management studio and I will show you how to figure out that issue actually. So suppose this is my instance and I'm going to take the backup of database tech02. So I have already written this script here and I'm going to execute this backup file, and we'll see what is the size of this. I don't have the 500 GB database in my lab, but I have just given the example. So let me execute here. If you execute this backup file, it's completed. Okay, if you check the database size of tech02, it's around 144 MB. It's a small database only. Just take an example. When you verify the the file size of the backup file, you can see it here. It's a 0 KB. Okay, when you check the database size, it was around 144 MB, but the backup file is coming like a 0. So we'll find out the issue. What is the region actually? If you look at this script, the backup script, what is the region here actually? So the what I'm suggesting, the correct approach to know for the backup file of any database, you should write like the database name, that is fine, and what type of backup, full or differential log, what is whatever. So you can write that one, and the date, current date, timings and all. But if you look at here, while providing the timing, we have given this quote. So this quote is not allowed actually for the backup file naming. If you remove this one, if you want to keep the time, so you can give like that 10:14. So you no need to put the quote, because quote is creating the problem here, and it's not writing the correct things in the backup files. If you execute this one now, you can see the same location, backup completed. If you can see here the size, this is the correct backup file. When you provided the filing naming of that backup with the code, it was showing the backup is completed successfully, but the size of that backup file is showing the 0. So when you remove that one, so now we are getting the actual backup file size. So when taking the backup, you should more focus about the the naming of them. Don't put like a quote and all. That will not create the correct backup files actually. So hope you got my point, what I'm trying to say. While taking the backup, we focus on naming. If you put any quote, kind of backup will be succeeded and there is no result at all. Okay, so for today that's it. Hope you got my point. Very soon I will meet you with another session. Till then, bye bye and thank you. Stay home, stay safe.